Who makes that noise? Two big eyes looking at me, whomp thump through the mud. Who can it be? It's a hippo basking in the sun. Two friendly eyes looking at me. It makes a noise like a trumpet. Who can it be? It's an elephant. I like elephants. Two sleepy eyes peeping back at me. Snap, snap, snap. Who can it be? It's a crocodile sleeping by the river. Two cheeky eyes staring at me. Chitter, chitter, natter, chatter. Who can it be? It's a monkey climbing up a tree. Two clever eyes winking up at me. Splish, splash, giggle, giggle. Who can it be? It's a dolphin playing in the sea. Two large eyes hypnotizing me. Sss. Who can it be? It's a snake slithering in the sand. Two enormous eyes blinking up at me. It sings sweet, deep lullabies. Who can it be? It's a whale swimming in the ocean. Two greedy eyes looking at you. Someone sounds hungry. Can you guess who? It's me. Let's go home and have our tea. The end.